Assalamu alaikum. I'm Umar Sultan and you are watching Umar Academy. Shortly we can say UPEC. This academy has been constructed on YouTube for many purposes, like to produce an environment for sharing views on and among the targeted subjects, to deliver and share experience and skills with each others, to enhance the knowledge of teachers, students, and all relevant people at their home without keeping steps in a campus, to teach science, maths, English, IT, and others to the relevant people. So I hope that you will join us in this job, and I also hope that you will subscribe my channel for sharing my coming videos. Thank you very much.
Daddy, Umar, come in.